Welcome to our channel. Today, we're unboxing the brand new iPad mini 7. As we open the box, you'll notice it looks quite similar to the previous generation. However, there's a significant upgrade inside. The base model now comes with 128 gigabytes of internal storage. This is a great improvement for those who need more space for apps, photos, and videos. The iPad mini 7 comes in a stunning new purple color, along with the familiar options of blue, space gray, and starlight. It features an 8.3-inch liquid retina display, which offers vibrant colors and sharp details. However, the 60Hz refresh rate is a bit of a letdown, especially considering the price of the device. Many users were hoping for a higher refresh rate to make the display even smoother. Under the hood, the iPad mini 7 is powered by the A15 Bionic chip, the same powerful processor found in the iPhone 13 Pro. This chip ensures that the iPad mini 7 can handle most tasks with ease, from gaming to video editing. Whether you're multitasking or running demanding apps, the A15 Bionic chip provides a smooth and responsive experience. The iPad mini 7 support for the second-generation Apple Pencil marks a big step forward in enhancing the device's functionality and convenience for creatives and productivity-focused users. This Apple Pencil version magnetically attaches to the side of the iPad mini 7, allowing it to charge wirelessly, meaning users no longer need to worry about separate chargers or cables. It also pairs seamlessly this way, so users can pick up the Apple Pencil and start using it immediately without manual pairing steps. This design is particularly beneficial for artists who gain a portable, powerful drawing tool that's always ready to go. The Apple Pencil's tilt and pressure sensitivity offer precise line control, letting artists vary stroke thickness and shading to achieve natural, detailed effects. Coupled with the iPad mini 7's updated display, this makes for a high-quality experience that mimics real drawing materials. For note-takers and those who need to annotate documents, a second-gen Apple Pencil adds a tactile, intuitive layer to their tasks. Users can write, underline, and highlight just like they would with pen and paper, with the added benefit of digital tools such as color switching, text recognition, and easy erasing. This is especially useful for students and professionals who value efficiency and enjoy the ease of having digital notes that are readily searchable and easily organized. Beyond artistic and productivity uses, the magnetic attachment keeps the Apple Pencil secure and readily accessible, reducing the chances of losing it or forgetting it at home. Overall, the second-generation Apple Pencil integration elevates the iPad mini 7 into a highly versatile tool, catering to a wide range of tasks with precision, ease, and added layer of portability. The iPad mini 7 is equipped with a 12MP rear camera and a 12MP front-facing camera. The rear camera is perfect for capturing photos and videos, while the front-facing camera is ideal for video calls. Whether you're snapping pictures or joining a virtual meeting, the iPad mini 7 has you covered. With up to 10 hours of battery life, the iPad mini 7 is designed to last through a full day of use. This should be sufficient for most users, but heavy users might find themselves needing to recharge more frequently. Overall, the battery life is solid, but it's something to keep in mind if you're a power user. In conclusion, the iPad mini 7 is a fantastic choice for those who want a small and portable tablet. It offers significant improvements in storage, performance, and design. However, a 60Hz refresh rate is a bit of a disappointment. Despite this, the iPad mini 7 remains a great device for a wide range of users. What do you think about the new iPad mini 7? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates.